Good morning guys! Today we are going to prepare or cook a glutinous rice yam. This is my own version.
So ito yung ating glutinous rice guys. Ito yung 1/4 a kilo of glutinous rice na na-steam ko na guys. This is already cooked. This is our 165 grams of cheese. Yes, that is our brown sugar. That is 1.5 cup. And we have our butter. This is around 100 grams. Plus we have our 1 big can of evaporada or evaporated liquid creamer. So, cream or salt. So now, umpisahan na natin guys ang ating glutinous rice yam, my own version. Okay? So, mag-uumpisa na tayo guys. So, we are going to put our evaporated milk in the frying pan. So, frying pan lang yung ginagamit ko guys kasi konti lang yung aking mixtures. Pero pag marami ang yung mixtures guys, syempre, gumamit rin kayo ng malalaking wok or frying pan or whatsoever. Okay? Tapos, i-boil natin guys. Pakuluin natin muna. Hindi ako gumamit guys ng coconut. This time, maglagay na tayo ng ating butter. Ating butter guys. 100 grams of butter. This is our butter. And a little bit of salt. So, ito na guys, na-dissolve na ang ating butter. Now, we are going to add our brown sugar. This is 1.5 cup of brown sugar. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng kunting cheese. Ito ay para sa ating toppings. Pwede din tayo guys maglagay ng food coloring like purple. Ako siguro maglagay ako. We will also add a vanilla, guys. Vanilla. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng purple. Ilang patak lang para magiging purple siya. Check natin if alright siya. All na siya. So, ito na. Ito na ang ating musika. Oh. Ating condense. So, ang condense natin, guys, ito. Yung, ano lang ito, 1/4 lang ito sa can. Mga around. Tablespoon lang yata ito. Yun lang ang condense na ginamit ko, guys, kasi may sugar na siya. Ang consistency niya, guys, okay na. Platings ko lang siya na. Ito na siya, guys, oh. So, this is it na, guys. This is it. So, magpe-platings na muna ako, guys. At, yun. Yun na yun. Dito na yun.
So, ito na, guys. Platings na, guys. Ating maluti na siya.
I can show you. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake natin guys. Ito na yung yam natin guys. I-ano natin guys. Ganyanin natin guys para arrange. So ito na. So tapos maglagay na tayo ng ating toppings, cheese toppings. Pwede din guys kung may oven kayo, i-bake ninyo ito ng around 10 minutes hanggang mag-ano lang ang cheese niya guys. Pero sa akin, kasi wala akong oven, okay lang ito. The final product guys of our dough